Do you suffer from an inflammatory disease that causes chronic pain, such as fibromyalgia or rheumatoid arthritis? If so, then vitamin D is a massively important nutrient that should be a part of your action plan to help reduce chronic pain. I'm Dr. John Bartemus, and I'm putting the pieces together to help you live a life at optimal. Vitamin D has been shown in the research to be a massively potent anti-inflammatory agent. If you have a global pain syndrome or global pain generating disease such as fibromyalgia or rheumatoid arthritis, vitamin D has been shown to decrease the pro-inflammatory molecules that drive the tissue damage in those diseases by 68%. It's also been shown to decrease the pro-inflammatory driver that drives tissue destruction in autoimmune disease by 23%. This is very important because vitamin D is very easy to take, it's very inexpensive, and it's very easy to track. So if you are someone suffering from chronic pain due to a pro-inflammatory disease, then I recommend working with a functional practitioner that can test your vitamin D levels and dose you appropriately to get those levels up to an optimal range if they are below an optimal range. It is very, very, very common for people to be vitamin D deficient and even more common to be vitamin D insufficient. So if you suffer from one of these chronic pain diseases and you are not being managed by or working with a functional medicine practitioner, vitamin D levels are often overlooked and unaddressed by conventional medicine. And if they are addressed, the forms that they use are poor at helping you reach sufficient levels of vitamin D. We want the sufficient levels because the research has shown that it helps decrease the pro-inflammatory molecules that drive the pain. So this is a drug-free way, significantly effective to decrease your chronic pain. So I recommend reaching out to a functional medicine practitioner if you aren't working with one and get your vitamin D levels checked, be dosed appropriately, and then follow up so you don't drive vitamin D toxicity, and observe the changes in your pain levels.